This is how I keep my skin healthy in scorching Indian summer weather. Hi guys, this is Zakera, and in today's video, I'm going to share some of my skincare hacks which help me in this tropical hot humid climate. So if you are interested in knowing that, just keep on watching. This is my favorite face mask to use for my oily skin. I take some Multani Mitti powder. It's easily available at any Indian grocery. I will share the link of mine in the description. Multani Mitti has cooling properties which helps to fight sun damage. It also controls oil production, cleanses the skin by pulling out oil, dirt and impurities. Next ingredient is honey. It has antibacterial, antiseptic abilities which can benefit oily and acne prone skin. Now to make a mask-like consistency, I am going to add some rose water, but you can use plain water as well. Mix it well. Once you have the mask-like consistency, you can apply it on your face. I like to apply an even thick layer on my face and let it stay on my skin for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. I like to use this at least once a week. This really helps to keep my skin oil-free and fresh. I let it semi dry and then I wash it off with plain water, and you can instantly see the difference in your skin after using this mask. Rose water has been a beauty product used for thousands of years. It helps to reduce skin's redness and it balances the skin's pH. I spray it a few times on my face and then tap it into my skin. The pro tip here is to store your rose water in refrigerator, so when you spray it, you get double the cooling effect. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to use this tool so much. I got this from Amazon at a very cheap price, but I'm constantly reaching out to it this summer. It has cooling gel roller on its head which gets cold in the refrigerator, and when you roll it on your face, it helps to reduce puffiness, especially around your eye area, reduces oiliness, it also soothes the sunburn, and it also helps to promote your natural glow. Also much more mess free and convenient compared to ice. Last but definitely not the least is aloe vera gel. This one is from the Face Shop, is my absolute favorite. You can use any brand's aloe vera gel. I use a very small amount regularly as a moisturizer. Aloe vera has healing properties which can help treat skin conditions like acne, eczema and sunburn. My skin gets really irritated in summers, so this comes as a true savior. One last thing is not to forget your SPF. Always use a good SPF to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. And with that said, we come to an end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.